Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the Java basics and writing our first programs together. We will explore the essential parts of Java program and explain some key terms and get you up and running with Java coding in no time. Before we start coding, make sure you have Java installed on your computer. If not, you can download the latest version from Oracle's website, and I will share this link in the description. Once you are set up, open your favorite code editor or IDE like IntelliJ or Eclipse. I will use IntelliJ, and we are ready to dive in. Okay, let's start by creating new project, and our project name will be lesson 1. Okay, and you can select your language, Java, Kotlin, Groovy, JavaScript, or anything, and build system, IntelliJ, Maven, Gradle. We will talk about that, but for now you can select IntelliJ. And after that, if you have not an IntelliJ JDK, you can download JDK in here if you are using IntelliJ editor. But if you have a JDK, you can select the version. I have a 3 JDK version, 11, 17 and 21. We'll select 21, and after that you can create your project. Okay, you will see a lot of file folder in here, but for creating project you need only CSV file, src, and you can write your class name. Class name will be first code, and we make our first class. But we can't run this project because for running project in Java we need main method. If you have a main method in your class, you can run this class. Okay, firstly, don't think about that because we don't know yet what's static, what's void, what's method. Okay, only write that. After, we will write System.out.println, and we will write hello world. Let's go through this line by line. We start with public class first code. Public means this class is accessible everywhere, and class tells Java that we are defining a new class named first code, and this class name must be exactly match our file name. Okay, if we change this not code A will be error. The main part of any Java programs is the main method. Public static void main string args. This line is where Java starts running the program. You will see this in every Java program. But don't worry about the public static void part yet, because think of is a necessary setup that makes this the entry point of our code. We will go introduce keywords in our future videos. And after that, for printing to the console, we need System.out.println method. This tells Java to print text to the console. Recap what we learned today. We covered the public class declaration, the importance of the main method, and how to print message to the console. This is the basic structure you will see in how to print message to the console. This is the basic structure you will see in almost every Java program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give up Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next tutorial. And thanks for watching and happy coding.